Okay, now think they ask from us find the value of x, right? Now here, like a normal equation, let's see, try to simplify. First of all, remove the bracket by the outside number. Yeah, it is a square root thing, but it's okay. By that, multiply these two. Now this is square root, no? So what I will do now, square root 2 into square root x. So I will write just like this, square root x into, okay, I will write square root 2 like this. We can write now this into this. Then here will be what the square root 18 already here into square root 2, right, like this. Here 4. Now here you can't do anything, so I will write the same way, square root x into square root 2. But here 18 into 2, this both has square root, no? So that's why you can multiply 18 into 2, 36. So 36 is square root, right? 36 is square root means 6. You know, no, right? Someone can write directly here answer 6. Okay, here you will get square root x into square root 2. Here, okay, I will do this step directly. But the here 36, no, square root 36 mean square root 6, square root 36 means 6, right? Here answer will be 6 minus 6. When I bring to here, it will be plus 4 plus 6, right? When I bring here minus 6, no, answer minus 6, no, minus 6. When I bring to here, it will be plus 6. Now your answer will be square root x into square root 2. Here will be 10. Okay. Now how to get square root x? Yeah, both side divide by square root 2. You also divide by square root 2. Then this to this curtain. Here you will have, okay, I will write here, but the square root x equal 10 over square root 2. Now how to get this one answer? To remove this square root sign, I will get square of both sides, right? Like this. Then square root to square curtain. Here will be just x. Here what the answer? Square of 10 mean 100. Square root 2 into square root 2, or just square root 2 square of that. I mean square root 2 square. What the answer? Square root square cut. Here will be just 2. Then your final answer will be 100 divided by 2, that will be 50. So x equal 50.